Hey everyone, so today is quick tips. I'll just show you how I make 3 different types of boiled egg in one pot. I just took these eggs from the fridge, so it's a little cold. Water in a pot. Add the egg. And just wait for 5 minutes. The reason why I do this is because I just want to make the temperature of the cold egg and the water to be the same. After 5 minutes, set the stove medium-low. Once it starts to boil like this, not like crazy boiling, I will set the timer for 4 minutes. Maybe you want to stir occasionally, so the egg yolk will stay in the center. Let cool. So this is 4 minutes runny boiled. This one is 7 minutes soft boiled. I hope you guys get some rough idea from this video. So which one would you like? Runny boiled, soft boiled, or hard boiled?